Hey YouTube, how's it going? Max here with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys what I just received in the mail. So this is from People Cert, which is my ITIL 4 foundation that I recently took. So I'll go ahead and open this and see what's inside. So let me make sure everything here is correct. Yep, there you go. So let's go ahead and open this. Okay, now let's see what's inside. There's this folder right here, a big folder. So I'll go ahead and open this, and I can see my names on here and People Cert right there. So let's open this up. Yikes. So here, what do we have here? So this is a letter from People Cert, and it's dated April 5th, 2021. Dear Max, on behalf of People Cert, I would like to congratulate you on achieving your ITIL 4 foundation and proudly welcome you to the community of IT professionals who enjoy the benefits of a globally recognized certificate that can enhance your career prospect and increase your standing within the IT community. So that's the letter right here. And this is the certificate right here. So this is what it looks like. And you can see the seal right here. So making sure that it's legit. And yeah. So that's pretty much it. So this was my ITIL 4 foundation certificate that I recently took, and I do have a video on my channel for anyone that's looking to take the certifications, the resource to use, and how you can pass this test right here. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, as I'll be doing more unboxing for my next certifications, which I'm in the process of getting, which will be the Network Plus and the A Plus. So that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.